Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to use the template manager in OnlySocial. Let's get started. First, navigate to the template from your dashboard. To create a template, click Create Template, give it a name, and start building. You can add text, emojis, media from the media library, hashtags from the hashtag manager, variables from the variable manager, or anything else you need. Once you're done, click Save Template or Save and create new. You can easily manage or edit your templates anytime from the template manager. When creating a new post, simply select your template from the template manager. It will automatically fill in all the necessary details for you, making the process very straightforward. Another option is to save your post as a template. It will be stored in the template manager for future reuse. Preview your post to make sure it looks good and then hit Post Now, or schedule it for later time. Your template-based post is now live. That's how to use the template manager in OnlySocial. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.